Hi guys. I'm so awkward. I was about to say I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, but I'm just saying that I know that I've been making videos in this state a lot, like just schleppy and just like just kind of like last minute videos. No, I was gonna say I'm sorry again. Actually, I am a bit sorry. I'm sorry that I haven't been on my regular scheduling because you guys know I do at least 2 videos a week, sometimes 3 if I'm feeling really sassy. You know what? It's such a busy time for me right now. It's a really hard time to get videos organized. To have like good, well executed and edited videos for you guys. These things take so much time. I just did an unboxing of my new bag, my Kelly 28. I didn't want to do like a whole big unboxing video on YouTube because I just really wanted to do like a quick one. So I just made like a quick Instagram video. If you guys aren't following me, you should definitely be following me by now. Like, it is daily fashion and really good fashion, and like a lot of just high-low mix, like luxury but also cheap and cheerful. Like, I'm not all luxury all the time, but today, girl, yeah, I am. Today is pure luxury. This is the Kelly 28 in malachite with gold hardware, and it is Togo, and it is fresh off the HÈRMES boat, baby. Fresh off the boat. Yeah. I got a couple things from HèrMES as well as this bag. I'm not going to show you. Okay. This is one thing. And this is another. And this is like really, this video is about this. I'll show you what's in the box in an upcoming video. I think I'll do like an HèrMES try on and like show you some of the new things that I've got lately. But I just opened it like, oh my God. Should I do that again so that you guys can see? I know you guys like that. I'm literally like in sweatpants, like absolutely no makeup on. Like, man, some of you people, most of you are so amazing. Some of you are really crazy. And like, you say like all kinds of things to me. Like people actually like watch my videos and tell me like I have like all this work done. Like, I have no work done on my face. Like, any normal person can see that I don't. Like, I'm not like frozen. I don't have like fillers in my face. Like, that's ridiculous. Like, some people really just troll on YouTube to say like the stupidest things. Of course, I have done Botox. Like, I've never denied that. But like, I'm not like one of those overdone people. I'm so natural with that stuff. So, what was the point of this? Nothing. I'm not justifying that I have no makeup on. I'm just telling you guys that lately, like, I'm just coming to really natural, like in my total state. Like, this is me, more vlog style. And yeah, I just tied this back up. So now I'll open it. It's a twilly. I'm gonna tie the twilly on. I'll show you guys how I tie the twilly. And it's really, really beautiful. And you know what? I have been checking HèrMES twillies for about a year now, and I have not been seeing like really fabulous twillies at all. And I got the blue Zanzibar 1 year ago, like over a year ago, when I first started YouTube, and that was like one of my first YouTube videos, my blue Zanzibar Birkin 30. Like, I did an unboxing on YouTube, and I have not still found twillies for that bag because they're all just like not the vibe that I want for it. Like, I want something fun, but like not like something like that's gonna contrast with it and be so like loud and obnoxious, because the bag is very bright and vibrant. So I just want like a classy complimentary twilly with it. I'm sorry if you hear background noise here. Anyways, this is the twilly that I got for the green malachite, and it is pretty fab. I just think this is really great for this. I think this would be good for blue Zanzibar as well, but my priority was for the Kelly, and I'm not gonna get like the same twillies for the Zanzibar as the malachite. Take that off. And I'm gonna put it on. I'm just gonna open this up for you guys and show you a little bit of what's going on here. I just, oh my gosh, this is so fab. I'm sorry. There's a very distinct smell that comes with an Hermes bag, and it is fab. I swear to God, it's like in the last couple of years, they like this, it smells a little different. Like the bags smell a little different, but like absolutely amazing. Like they just, I don't know, it's like a very distinct leather smell. Chanel also has a very distinct smell with their bags, and it's also amazing. Like, I don't know if it's like, I don't know, but it's not like a weird, like hidey, it doesn't smell like hide, which is like weird. Like, it doesn't smell like you're in a leather store. It just smells like, almost like a sweet mixed with a like subtle leather. I don't know, I can't. It's like, am I the weirdest person? I totally am. I'm totally so weird. I'm weird. This is true. I don't know if you care to see like what's happening in here. I put the locking clochette on. So like all the little dust bags for that and the strap are in the dust bag. So this is for the Kelly 28, which I feel like would mean that the handle's smaller than like other like bigger Kellys. So I might have like lots of twilly to work with here. Just wondering if I should take the straps off while I do this. Okay. Some people tie their twilly and they start from the middle. And they like kind of like make sure it's like equally distributed and they start from the middle. I actually don't tie my twillies that way, but I can. And if you'd like me to show you how to start from the middle, I'm happy to do that in an upcoming video. But today I'm gonna show you how I do it from one side to the next. Oh wow, this is so gorgeous. Like, I'm really happy about this twilly choice. So I'm doing a tie like this. And I'm just like going to wiggle this around, because right now, since after I tied it, the tag is like kind of facing this way. So I'm gonna just like wiggle it around so that it's back facing underneath and it doesn't, it's not the wrong way. I'm just gonna push it down to the end, okay? And I'm gonna very tightly now, very tightly, make clean folds around the handle. Okay, just like straighten it out with every fold, or with every twist, or whatever you want to call it. And it's really not a bit, like, it's so easy to do this way. And some people don't want to do it because they feel like, you know, look, like I've come short, right? Like, that's so not a big deal because I did it really tight over here, and it takes literally 2 seconds to just get some more and just do it a little looser. I mean, a little wider apart, not looser in the way you wrap it. You're still wrapping it the same way. What I love about twillies is that you can wear them around your neck. You can wear them like as a hairband with like the little tie coming out here. Like, they're just so versatile. I think like most people use them for their bags these days, but there's a lot more you can do with twillies. You can wrap them around your wrists and like have a little bracelet. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna make a little knot there, and that's going to be the twilly for this. So I know that it comes to here. I'm just gonna like unwrap my last one, put my thumb in there, but keep it snug like with this hand and like slip it in. Pull it through really nice and tight. Oh my God. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Is that not gorgeous, you guys? How beautiful is that, guys? How beautiful is that? I think this is like beyond the perfect twilly for the malachite and gold. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this. I have so many amazing videos coming up for you guys. I cannot wait to get started. As always, I'll be back in a couple of days. I cannot wait to see you. Until next time, bye for now.